I want to stay married, Dad, but it's crazy out there. Some of these girls, you should see them. Oh my God, they're fucking. The things they're doing now, Pops. I mean, it's on a whole other level.
Really?
And they're all shaved too.
Get out of here.
They're all shaven. Now.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
No
bald,
bush?
Bald as a China.
No
dog.
bush?
No bush.
Oh
I know.
My God.
All of a sudden, 1 week, nobody had anything down there anymore.
It's a new world.
They're bald. They're bald from the eyebrows down.
Wow.
Nothing. Not a stitch. It's like lasers.
Wow.
They do
New
laser
world.
treatment.
See, I was born too early.
I've never been a fan of the bush, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't mind it. That's marriage, you
That's
know.